Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive in mobile phone. So guys, if you don't have Google Drive app on your phone, then go to Play Store and download it. And after downloading it, open the app. And then click on the profile icon on the right side of the screen. And now select the Gmail with which you are going to open your Google Drive and tap on it. And on this page you will get suggestion of important files on your drive, and next to it in notification option you will get your important notifications here. And the second page start. Here you can keep your favorite or important files also. And in this page shared, if someone shares something with you, then it will show it here. And the next of the option files. Among Google Drive, this file page is the most important because you can keep all the files you need in this file page. And if you click on the plus icon, in this folder option you can create a folder, and in this you can put your necessary some documents. And then in this upload option you can also upload your pictures or videos or useful documents here. And the scan option, you can take any of your photos and you can convert pictures to PDF. And then if you go to the three dot line on the left side of the corner, then you can see some important things like recent offline trash, spam, backups, settings and storage etc. These options also important for you. So guys, the options that I have shown you are mainly the means of using Google Drive. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can use Google Drive very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.